9歳の時の夢は画家でした。
When he was 9 years old, he wanted to become an artist.
しかし両親を含めいろんな人から否定されました。
Everyone, including his parents, told him, "No, you can't become an artist."
それからずっと夢を諦め続けました。
After hearing from everyone this big no, he decided to totally give up his desire to become an artist.
21歳の時、ある経営者と出会いました。
When he was 21 years old, he met a big office person.
彼に言われたことを紹介します。
He's going to introduce few important words which the business big officeman spoke.
その言葉を聞いて、僕は夢を追い続けることができて、叶えることができました。
So this businessman, big person in the office, spoke to him some good things about the art. And then he became all of a sudden enthusiastic, energetic, and his all cheerfulness came back to become an artist.
お前は無理だよという人の言うことを聞いてはいけない。
Don't listen to people who tell you that you can't become an artist, you can't do anything about it. Don't listen to them.
もし自分で何かを成し遂げたかったら、できなかった時に他人のせいにしないで自分のせいにしなさい。
When you want to become successful in doing something or successful in achieving something, don't ever always listen to other people what they say, but look within and look at yourself and find your capabilities and go forward. That was the advice by the businessman.
Be brave and others.
多くの人が僕にもお前にも無理だよと言った。
Okay, many people told him you can't be successful in it. Not the businessman, but many other people still kept telling him, no, you can't succeed in it.
なぜなら彼らは成功できなかったから、途中で諦めてしまったから。
Telling him not to do that. You can't be successful in what you are thinking of doing it. It's because of their experience. It's not. That person's experience, that person taught. But it is not his experience, no? It's not my experience, it is other people's experience. You understood?
だから君にもその夢を諦めてほしいんだ。
And then still he did not succeed in getting into it because of people's interference. When he wanted to do it, some people stopped him to do it. They were on his way, stopping him.
不幸な人は不幸な人を友達にしたいんだよ。
So these people who are telling him, no, you don't go forward doing this work, want him to be only friendly with that particular person, not with another person. You understood? Those who are of negative towards him, telling not to do this, also wanted him to be exclusive friend, not him having friendship with the other. Got it?
Yes.
決して諦めてはダメだ。
Again the businessman came into the picture saying, don't ever give up your idea of becoming an artist.
自分の周りをエネルギーにあふれ、しっかりした考え方を持っている人で固めなさい。
He also gave him the advice, you go to people, talk to people, keep a relationship with people who speak positively, who look at things positively. So make friends with them, so that you become more strong.
自分の周りを癒しにあふれ、プラス思考の人で固めなさい。
So you get in touch with the people who are ambitious in life, who are very much positive about their ambitions.
近くに誰か憧れる人がいたら、アドバイスを求めなさい。
So then when you listen to these people who are ambitious and positive, then he become more in his ambition and positive. Listening to the people who are positive.
君の人生を考えることができるのは君だけだ。
Okay. think about what you want to do, what you want to get in life, gain in life. Focus on that goal.
君の夢が何であれ、それに向かっていくんだ。
Go ahead with your dreams.
なぜなら君は幸せになるために生まれてきたのだから。
The desire to become an artist is inborn in you, and that is what you want. So go ahead.
それらの言葉をビジネスマンから聞いて、僕は毎日にしました。
Okay, listening to this businessman, listening to all this good talk, he completely changed his mind to become an artist.
そして次のようなことを考えました。
So he decided to follow his advice.
周りと違うことをやろうとすると、親しい人ほどやめた方がいい、失敗するよなどとマイナスなことを言ってきます。
Okay, then he started to do this. Other people, it is something different from other people, no? When 10 people are doing some business, making money, and one person is trying to do something else, other people want to think he is strange, no?
自分の人生の責任は自分で取る、そういう覚悟があるなら、否定的な言葉を肯定的な言葉で捉える必要があると僕は思います。
So his response to it was, personally, he thought himself, it is my responsibility to be what I want to be. You understood? It is, he took up the responsibility on himself, not on others, to get what he wants to get.
否定的な言葉は飛行機が飛ぶために必要な追い風だと思えばいい。
Okay, now, once when he understood, see, he thought many are against him. Okay? He listened to all these people and he thought many are against. But when he made a decision for himself, what he thought is good for him, it was like, he was going over the wind, over and above the wind like he felt. Can you understand this term?
Yes.
What way?
そして否定的な言葉を言ってくる人ほど結果を出した姿を見て褒めたたえてくることを知っておくこと。
When he made the decision to become an artist, his personality totally changed and his attitude changed. What does it mean? He made a big shift. Till then it was like, I want, I don't want, I can successful, I can't be successful. Is it not? Once when the decision is made, it was a big shift in his life.
彼らは勇気を持てず夢を諦めた人間だから夢を叶える人間が羨ましいんです。
He had again pressure from the people who were negative, telling again to stop it.
だからこそ失敗することに恐れず自分を信じて人生を創造していくことに全力を注ぐことが重要です。
Okay, though this negative pressure came in between, he did not give up. He decided to stay stern, firm in his decision. He wanted to form his life. He wanted to become somebody. He wanted to become successful. So he went ahead.
これらのメッセージを伝えるために僕はスプレーアートをやっています。
So he wants to give this message, not just talking, but wants to give it in the form of art.
僕にとってスプレーアートはメッセージを伝えるための一手段にしか過ぎません。
Okay, so he has chosen spray art to spread this message in the world.
日本各地でスプレーアートパフォーマンスをやり、旅をするという夢を叶えています。
Okay, he had been going around the streets of Japan, different places for the past 2 years, and he has covered all of Japan, spreading this message.
そして今回初めて海外でスプレーアートパフォーマンスをやりました。
This is for the first time he performed outside his country. Yeah.